So today is a exciting day for me. I've never owned a sharpening wheel. I've always sharpened by hand with stones like a lot of people, but I've always wanted to get one of these wheels to try it and speed things up. But they're just so dang expensive. And I've seen a lot of really good reviews on the WEN sharpening. Let me move this camera so you can see it. So this is the WEN sharpener. So I'm excited to open this and try it out. I'm not going to bore you with the unboxing of it, like there's a million people unboxing stuff. I will give you my opinion on how it's packaged and how it was shipped. But as far as unboxing it and doing it, I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to pause this and then unpackage this, and we'll go from there. Okay, so after unpackaging this, I'll tell you, it was packaged very nicely. Here's the boxing for it. It came very well secured, packaged, and no problems there. Everything looks to be in good condition, so that's impressive. Full disclosure, this is my second WEN tool. First WEN tool I purchased was the spiral cut surface planer, and this thing's great. You know, for the money, is a great buy. So I'm excited to see if this lives up to the reviews I've already seen on YouTube. So, but it comes with everything you need. Obviously, it comes with the actual sharpening wheel itself, or the motor for the wheel. Your sharpening wheel is right here, 10-inch. I'll put that on here in a second. It also comes with the universal support, which is right here. Comes with a chisel and plain jig, and then of course some various knobs to attach stuff. It also comes with an angle guide, which is nice because sometimes you have to purchase those. And it comes with some honing paste. So this is the leather strap here that's already attached. Of course, your basin for your water. But everything is in really good condition. It was packaged, like I said, it was, very nicely packaged. So no issues there. So I'm going to put this thing together. Oh, I will say I also purchased, well, it also comes with your owner's manual, of course. But I also purchased the accessory kit for some of the other things you might want to sharpen. And again, very well packaged. Very impressed how they take the care to package everything in really nice. This is more like a foam rubber type material, but this accessory package comes with these items here: a short knife jig, a long knife jig, a scissor jig, and an axe jig. So everything you need to really sharpen everything in your house. So this is an accessory. I think this costs around $50. The wheel, I actually ordered this through Lowe's, and it was right around 120 bucks, I think. So I mean, it's just hard to beat. 120 bucks for this, 50 bucks for the accessories. For under $200, you have a sharpening system that, if it does work the way it should, it's hard to beat that. So I will review how well it sharpens. Obviously the stone, this probably isn't a super high price stone, but I mean, it appears to be really nice. So we'll give it a shot. So I'm gonna move on to that next.